Today on Project 2, it's finally time to reveal how we did on the budget and give you a look at the final outcome of this 2012 Salvage Challenger rebuild. I'll start with the boring stuff first, and then we'll get on to the reveal. I purchased this car for $1,200 on a Copart auction. It needed a battery that was $140, a hood at $375, hood hinges were $56. The core support was $280, the front right fender was $100. New headlights were $117. The bumper kit came in at $700. New brackets for that bumper were $140. A new driver's airbag was $100. I sent the seat belts off as well as the SRS module. That was $200 to get those rebuilt. The windshield came in at $275. All the paint and supplies were $650. At the end, I added a spoiler, and that was $53. I'll be honest, I'm not 100% done with this yet. There's still one more airbag in the dash that I haven't replaced yet. This comes up to a total of $43.86. I had a goal to be under $5,000, and it looks like I'm going to make that just fine, even if I decide to buy a used dash with an airbag. Now let's take a look at that car. I'm more than pleased at how this car came out, and for the money that I have into it, I think it's hard to beat. It's an affordable, daily driver with some style. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Stay tuned for more, and I'll see you on the next one.